Introducing the Komatsu WB93R 5E0 backhoe loader. Also known as Hercules, a symbol of strength. This Italian-made machine is an unstoppable force that conquers any task before it. Our first special feature, premium performance and efficiency. When it comes to construction and utility maintenance project, efficiency is everything. Hercules boasts a powerhouse Komatsu engine and hydraulic system that delivers both raw power and exceptional fuel efficiency. And with its switchable 4WD transmission to 2WD, it commands complete mobility on and off the road.
Dengan adanya sistem 4-wheel drive switchable to 2-wheel drive yang dimiliki oleh Komatsu Backhoe loader ni, ianya dapat memudahkan kerja JPM Malaysia. Seperti yang kita sedia maklum, skop kerja JPM Malaysia ni melibatkan kawasan tepian sungai, kawasan curam. Dengan adanya sistem ini, operator kami tidak perlu risau dengan keadaan persekitaran kerja mereka. Kerana sistem ini memang dapat memudahkan operator dan dapat melaksanakan kerja dengan mudah dan cepat.
Safety is paramount, regardless of the application. This leads us to our second special feature, high safety standards. Hercules is equipped with advanced safety features, such as rollover protection, ROPS, and falling object protection, FOPS, ensuring the well-being of operators. It's even shielded by an exterior protection guard that defends vital components from harm. Whether it's road and drainage work or disaster recovery, Hercules safeguards your team, just as high safety standards ensure well-being.
Di ladang kami, banyak ancaman yang menyebabkan kerosakan pada jentera. Contohnya macam ranting kayu, pokok tumbang dan juga ada ancaman hidupan liar. Jadi dengan menggunakan Komatsu Backhoe loader ni, ia mempunyai ciri-ciri keselamatan yang sangat baik dan juga dapat elakkan kerosakan pada komponen-komponen penting lah pada jentera tersebut. Ia dapat menjimatkan kos pembaik pulih kami.
Now, let's step into the comfort zone. First-class comfort is Hercules' hallmark, enhancing operator performance. During long shifts in agriculture or waste management applications, operators stay focused and comfortable, ultimately enhancing productivity.
Apabila operator kami selesa memandu Komatsu Backhoe loader ini, secara langsung produktiviti dapat ditingkatkan.
From construction to utility maintenance, road and drainage work to disaster recovery, and agriculture to waste management, Hercules is trusted by operators and project managers alike. In a world where applications vary, Hercules remains constant, delivering premium performance and efficiency, high safety standards, and first-class comfort. And now, for the best part. When you choose Hercules, you're not just getting a world-class machine. You're also gaining a reliable partner.